Okay, please go ahead.
Good morning. All right, sir. Thank you. Could you see my video, please? Hello, sir.
Hazur,
Hello.
Hazur.
Hello. You can see my PowerPoint presentation.
Yes.
Hello.
हजुरको अझै डिस्टर्ब भइरहेको छ
सर को भिडियो अफ गर्ने नि बरु
सर भिडियो अफ गर्नु त भिडियो अफ गर्नु त ल go ahead sir
Hello. 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 Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello, sir.
सर एकदम गाह्रो छ सुन्नेन हजुरको
Hello, Rajesh, sir.
सुनेन सर सुनेन हजुरलाई सुनेन
Hello.
राइट
सरको नेटै स्लो छ जस्तो छ सर
Hello.
होइन सर can you please receive my phone
Hello. Yes, I'm going to start entering this right station. Hello, everyone. The line. Please unpause the or the letters. And it's always mandatory for the students that 200 to 250 to 300 words. So this is the process of getting better. So these are multiple intelligence. Azar. सुनिए न त्यही त यहाँ त everything video से यो video ला off गरौँ हेलो सर
सर कम सुनिरहेछ हजुरको डिस्टर्ब आइरहेछ हजुरले फोन उठाइसेन
Hello, no, did you listen to me? Hello, did you listen to me?
Yes, sir. We can listen to you right now.
Hello? Hi. Are you hearing me?
Khawen sir. Yes,
Hello?
Radhika, continue it. Radhika, Sunday, Sabim.
Hello?
Sabim
Okay,
र राधिकाले conduct गर.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's start. I will read the question.
Hello? Hello?
Name.
Hello,
Rajan,
everybody.
personally
Hello,
message.
everyone. Good morning.
Radhika, तिमी पढ म एन्सर गर्छु.
Okay.
Hello, good morning.
History of world.
Radha.
Name the only country in Southeast Asia which has never been colony.
Thailand.
Question number 2. In which year was Prince Charles born?
The answer is 1948.
Number 3. In which year was Prince Edward born?
In
Hold on,
1964
hold
AD.
on. Yeah. Now, do you listen to me?
Question number 4.
Hello?
Yes, sir, we are.
Oh my God. So, hello? Hello.
होइन सर. हजुर क्लास भोलि अब आज पोसिबल भएन. हजुरले चेक गरेर दिउँसो चेक गरेर भोलि
Hello, Asha.
सुनेन. हजुरलाई सुनेन. क्यान यु प्लिज पिक अप माई फोन? Go ahead.
Radhika, go ahead.
Okay. History of Nepal. Question
No.
number 1.
History of the old.
वर्ड वाला छैन नि त दादा, यहाँ अर्कै आइराछ हजुरले अघि के त चेन्ज गर्दिसो. हो ल यही ठिक छ. हो ठिक छ दादा. क्वेशन नम्बर 4 मा छौं है हामी. क्वेशन नम्बर 4. In which country was the first newspaper printed during AD 700s and called Di Bao or Ti Pao?
The answer is China. In China.
Okay, question number 5. Which country fought a civil war between the years 1942 to 1946?
The answer is England.
Question number 6. Which country fought a civil war between the years 1861 to 1865?
The answer is the USA.
Question number 7. Which type of hat was worn by Sherlock Holmes?
The answer is deerstalker.
Question number 8. Which type of hat is named after a country?
Panama.
Question number 9. Which British Prime Minister is associated with the phrase "never was so much owned by so many is so few"?
Yes, Winston Churchill.
Okay, question number 10. Which British Prime Minister is associated with the phrase "you never had it so good"?
Harold Macmillan.
Okay, question number 11. Which English king was known as the Hammer of the Scots?
Hello.
Edward First.
Sir, हजुर.
Question number 12. Which English king was known as the Merry Monarch?
Charles II.
Okay, question number 13. In the year 1800, the question ni बुझाउनु पर्यो पढेर मात्र भएन अरे. Okay, question नि बुझाउनु पर्यो भन्नु भएको छ. I will try है त. In the year 1800, the US capital city was shifted to Washington DC. What was its capital from 1790 to 1800? अब यसमा चाहिँ के भनेको भनी 1800 तिर चाहिँ 80 तिर युएस को क्यापिटल सिटी अमेरिकाको क्यापिटल सिटी चाहिँ वाशिंगटन डीसी मा शिफ्टेड भएको थियो रे भनेपछि त्यो भन्दा पहिला चाहिँ क्यापिटल सिटी कुन थियो भनेको. It was in the historic Independence Hall in It was in the historic Independence Hall in Philadelphia that the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution of the United States were adopted. It is known as the birthplace of United States. त्यो चाहिँ हिस्टोरिकल इन्डिपेन्डेन्स हल जुन चाहिँ फिलाडेल्फियामा थियो भनेर भनेको. Okay, अब question number 14. Which South African black leader was released in 1989 after 26 years in prison?
The answer is Nelson Mandela.
यसमा चाहिँ के भनेको भनी कुन चाहिँ काला मान्छेलाई चाहिँ 26 वर्षसम्म जेलमा राखिएको थियो भनेर भनेको है. Okay, question number 15. Who was the most powerful country of European in 16th century?
The answer is Spain.
16औं शताब्दीतिर युरोपको कुन चाहिँ कन्ट्री चाहिँ एकदमै पावरफुल थियो भन्न खोजेको त्यो क्वेशनले. Okay, question number 16. Which country first established their colonies in America?
The answer is Spain.
त्यो क्वेशनले चाहिँ के भनेको भनी कुन चाहिँ देशले चाहिँ सबभन्दा फर्स्टमा अमेरिकामा आफ्नो कोलोनी बनाएको थियो भनेर भनेको. अनि आन्सर अब दाइले भनिसक्नु भयो स्पेन. Okay, next question number 17. In which year England faced the bloodless revolution?
In 1688 AD.
Okay, त्यो भनेको चाहिँ इंग्ल्यान्डले चाहिँ रगत बिनाको रिभोल्युसन कहिले सामना गरेको थियो भनेर भनेको हो. Okay, question number 18. In which year Magna Carta was passed by the Parliament of England?
In 1215 AD.
अब यो म्याग्ना कार्टा भनेको फर्स्ट रिटन कन्स्टिट्युसन हो हैन. यो सबै हामीलाई थाहा छ होला सबैलाई. त्यो चाहिँ इंग्ल्यान्डको गभर्नमेन्टले कहिले इंग्ल्यान्डको पार्लियामेन्टले कहिले पारित गरेको थियो भनेर भनेको है. आन्सर दाइले भनिसक्नु भयो. अब त्यस्तै गरी हामी जाम क्वेशन नम्बर 19 मा. The French Revolution started from which class of French population?
The answer is middle class.
अब यसमा चाहिँ के भनेको भनी फ्रेन्च रिभोल्युसन चाहिँ अब क्लास भन्ने कुरा तीन प्रकारको हुन्छ हैन. हाई क्लास, मिडल क्लास र लो क्लास. अनि यो कुन चाहिँ क्लासले चाहिँ यो फ्रेन्च रिभोल्युसन स्टार्ट गरेको थिए भनेर भनेको त्यो मिडल क्लास को मान्छेहरुले गरेका थिए. Okay, question number 20. What was the main slogan of French Revolution?
Liberty, equality, fraternity.
त्यो भनेको चाहिँ अब फ्रेन्च रिभोल्युसन को मुख्य नारा के थियो भनेर भनेको है. अब क्वेशन नम्बर 21 मा जाम हामी. Which three philosophers lived their great imprisonment in on French Revolution?
Montesquieu, Voltaire, and Rousseau.
अब यो त्यो फिलोसोफर्सहरु जसको कारणले चाहिँ अब हुन्छ नि ग्रेट इम्प्रेसन अब उनीहरुको कारणले अब त्यो सत्ता नै पल्ट्या थियो हैन. इफ यु रिड फ्रेन्च रिभोल्युसन हो त्यो तीनटा मुख्य व्यक्तित्वहरु चाहिँ यो तीनटा हो. मोन्टेस्क्यू, भोलाटायर र रुसोली.
तिमीहरु कसरी 12 पास गरिस्यार ह सन्देश मुलाहरु त्यति पनि प्रोनाउन्स गर्न सक्दैनस् 7-8 कक्षामा पढेको कुराहरु. नानी नेपाली कन्भर्ट गर्नु पर्दैन. यु जस्ट गो इन इंग्लिश.
ओके दा. अब त्यहाँ मेसेज आइरा थियो त्यही भएर.
गए.
Okay, question number 22 ma. Who says that if Russelli was not born in France, then would be no revolution in France?
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Okay, question number 23. What is specified name used for the middle class in France?
Bourgeois class.
Question number 24. Which French queen received the most jealous from the people of France?
Queen Anne the Austrian lady, wife of Louis XVI.
Question number 25. Which queen of France had numberless cloths?
Queen Mary Antoinette.
Question number 26. The data from which France Revolution started?
5th August 1789.
Question number 27. Name the two US presidents who died on the same day, same year. That is on July 4, 1826.
John Adams, the Thomas Jefferson.
Question number 28. Which German dictator wrote his autobiography, Mein Kampf?
Adolf Hitler.
Question number 29. Name the wife of President Abraham Lincoln, whom she married in the year 1842.
Mary Todd.
Question number 30. Which British queen was withdrawn from circulation on 1st January 1970?
Half crown.
Question number 31. Which British queen was withdrawn from circulation on 30th June 1980?
6 pins.
Question number 32. Which new building was built for the 1851 Great Exhibition held in London?
The Crystal Palace.
Question number 33. Which new building was built for the 1925 British Empire Exhibition?
Wembley.
Question number 34. Which battle occurred in July 1690?
The Boyne.
Question number 35. Which battle occurred in October 1805?
Trafalgar.
Question number 36. When nautical disaster occurred on 15th April 1912?
The Titanic sank.
The name and number were taken by Albino Luciano when he was elected Pope.
John Paul I.
Question number 38. The name and number were taken by Giovanni Montini when he was elected Pope.
Paul VI.
Question number 39. World War II. Which country surrendered on 28th September 1942?
Italy.
Question number 40. World War II. Which country was invaded on Operation Barbarossa?
Russia by German.
Question number 41. Which president of the USA had the middle name David?
Right D. Eisenhower. Right D. Eisenhower.
Question number 42. Which president of the USA had the middle name Baines?
Middle name Lyndon B. Johnson.
Question number 43. Who was the famous leader of Desert Rats during World War II?
Field Marshal Brand Law Montgomery.
Question number 44. Which German field marshal of World War II was nicknamed the Desert Fox?
Erwin Rommel.
Question number 45. Name the first European to have invaded India.
Alexander the Great.
Question number 46. In which year was Burma separated from India?
In 1937.
Question number 47. What was the former name of Sri Lanka?
Ceylon.
Question number 48. Which US state was formerly known as Sandwich Island?
Hawaii.
Question number 49. Name the English admiral who said, England accept that every man will do his duty.
Lord Nelson.
Question number 50. What was the age of Joan of Arc, the French national heroine, when she was burned and staked in 1931?
19 years.
Who said, I am the revolution?
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Who said, man born free, but after that he is in chains?
Rousseau.
Question number 53. How many was led by Napoleon?
Napoleon. 60.
Question number 54. Who was the first Indian king who had to face the attack on any Arabian Muslim first?
Dear the King of Sindh.
Question number 55. Who was the first Muslim ruler of India?
Qutb ud Din Abik. Qutb ud Din Abik.
Question number 56. Qutb Minar was built in the memory of which person?
Qutb ud Din Bakhtiyar Kaki.
Question number 57. Qutb Minar construction started by Qutb ud Din Aibak, but he did not complete it. Who completed its construction?
Iltutmish.
Question number 58. What was the name of the first lady ruler of India?
Rajai Sultan.
59. Razia Sultan was the daughter of which person of which dynasty?
Iltutmish of slave dynasty.
Who was the main founder of the slave dynasty?
Iltutmish.
Ilutmish. Ilutmish. Question number 61. Which was the most important and popular Sultan of Delhi Sultanate?
Adullin
Alauddin
Khaiji. Aluddin Khaiji.
Khilji. Question number 62. Who was the first Indian Sultan who made a permanent army?
Aluddin Khilji.
Question number 63. Which Badshah is called Kalandar?
Zahir Undi Muhammad Barbar.
Question number 64. Babur was the son of the people of two dynasties. His father was from which dynasty and his mother was from which dynasty? Gave the name of both dynasty.
Father from Tomor dynasty and mother from Chengiz Khan dynasty.
Question number 65. Who established Lodi Kingdom?
Balol Lodi.
Question number 66. What was the most impressive and strong Sultan of Lodi dynasty?
Sikandar Lodi.
Question number 67. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire?
Zahiruddin Muhammad Barbar.
Babur.
Question number 68. Who was the Maharani of Akbar?
Who was the के अरे, कहाँ गयो?
Maharani of Akbar.
Who was
Jodhabai, daughter of Raja.
Jodhabai, daughter of Raja Barmal of यतापट्टि
Amir.
देख्दैन। Amir.
Question number 69. Which beautiful city established by Akbar and made it his capital?
Fatehpur Sikir.
Question number 70. What was the name of the famous horse Rana Pratap?
Chitak.
Question number 71. What was the most powerful lady in the early 17th century who ruled over India?
Nurjan.
Question number 72. What was the real name of Nurjan?
Merusin.
Merunisa.
73. What was the name of father of Nur Jahan?
Nezal Ges Beg.
Ma भनौँ
Yes, one.
Question number 74. What was the name of Shahi Jahan before he sit on the throne of India?
खुराम
Question number 75. For which things Jahangir was famous?
justice
Question number 76. What was the full name of Jahangir?
Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir
Question number 77. What was the name of Jahangir's autobiography?
Tuzuk-e Jahangir
Question number 78. How many years Nur Jahan ruled over India in the name of Jahangir?
16 years from 1611 to 1627 AD.
Who gave Khurram the title of Shah Jahan?
Jahangir.
Question number 80. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in the memory of his late wife. What was the name of his wife?
Mumtaz.
Question number 81. Beside Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan built two other beautiful buildings. What was the name of those?
The Red Fort of Delhi, 1 or 2 number, the Jama Masjid of Delhi.
White marble. From which place this marble found?
Makrana in Rajasthan.
83. What was the name Shah Jahan's four sons who fought each other royal throne in India?
Dara, Suja, Aurangzeb, Murad.
Question number 84. In which year Aurangzeb seated himself on the throne of India?
In 1558 AD.
Wait. Question number 85. Shah Jahan had to spend last time in the Red Fort of Agra as a prisoner. How many years she spent?
8 years from 1658 to 1666 AD.
I'm sorry, it's how many years he spent, okay? Question number 86. Aurangzeb was always think of capturing the two states of southern India. Which was these states?
Golkunda and Bijapur.
Question number 87. Who was on the British throne at the time of the Great Fire of London?
Charles II.
Question number 88. Which British king was on the throne at the time of the gunpowder plot?
James I, James VI of Scotland.
Question number 89. Which famous American said, I have a dream?
Martin Luther King.
Question number 90. Which famous American said, I am the greatest?
Muhammad Ali.
91. Which is the only case where husband and wife ruled jointly in England?
William Ayer and Mary Ayer, they ruled jointly from 1689 to 1694.
Question number 92. Which American president introduced Fair Deal, the social and economic extensive reform program?
Harry S. Truman.
Question number 93. Which American president was known as the man of the people?
Andrew Jackson.
Question number 94. Which two French regions were incorporated into Germany in the year 1990 by the Treaty of Versailles?
Alsace-Lorraine.
Question number 95. Name the first American president to move into the White House.
John Adams.
Question number 96. Which country in the North Atlantic Ocean declared itself an independent republic on June 1st, 1944?
Iceland.
97. Which country did Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles acquire for Britain in 1819?
Singapore.
98. By what name was the fourth Arab-Israeli war known as?
The Yom Kippur War.
99. In which country was the War of Religions fought?
France.
100. Which Republic of West Africa was founded by freed Afro-American slaves from the USA in 1822?
Liberia.
101. Over which state Mahendra Pratap ruled?
Mewar.
The 100 question finished.
ओके आजलाई यसमा यति नै गर्नुपर्छ होला है
हस्
Okay, sir.
मेन आजको एकदमै अडिटेड प्रोग्रामलाई गरौँ
अनि अब यो कसैलाई कि अब यो एङ्कर गर्छु म अथवा वेलकमहरू गर्छु जस्तो लागेको छ भने प्लिज भन्नु है सबैजनाले अब कसैलाई मनमा लागिरहेको हुन सक्छ नि त मैले पनि गर्न पाएको भए होस् जस्तो यु आर काइन्डली रिक्वेस्ट टु इन्फर्म अस है
तिमीहरूको कोही साथीभाइहरू आउनु बाँकी छ भनेपछि बोलौ अब हैन यस्तो राम्रो प्रोग्राम छ अब यस्तो छुटाइरहेछौ तिमीहरूले हैन म त दङ्ग पर्छु बच्चाहरूसँग अहिले हाम्रो उल्टो उल्टो भइरहेछ सबै कुराहरू जस्तो लाग्ने आज आछ भोलि आ छैन अनि त्यो डेडिकेसन नै छैन के अनि कसरी त
अब 1 गतेदेखि लकडाउन खुल्छ रे हो
सिस्टीको हेर्न त्यो सिस्टीको त्यो कालो बनाएर के गरेर बस्या त हेरो पख्न हुँदै अलिकति टाठी बाठी हुने गर्ने बेला पुरै तँलाई यही भर्चुअल क्लासबाटै उठाएर लान्छन् कि क्या हो कुरो आउने राम्रोसँग पढ्ने नजाने कुरो सरहरूसँग सोध्ने अलिकति राम्रो बानी बेहोरा डेभलप गर्ने बेला ओहो नौटङ्की देखाएर दुनियाँ उज्जवलले पनि अलि राम्रोसँग बस्छ तेरो त्यो टाउकोदेखि माथि मुखदेखि अनुहारदेखि माथि के गरे त्यो त्यस्तो पनि हुन्छ कहीँ सिटिङ पोस्टर चट्ट लाएर पुकार बस्या जस्तरी सङ्गीता बस्या जस्तरी बस्छ आज खास तिमीहरूलाई एसे राइटिङ भनेर खगेन्द्र चौलागाई भन्ने सर हुनुहुन्थ्यो हाम्रो डिक्यानकै हो उहाँ पहिले धेरै राम्रो पढाउनु भएको हो धेरै वर्ष तिमीहरूलाई यस वर्ष चाहिँ पाइसेन क्यार उहाँ क्लास राखेको अब हिजो ठिकै थियो मैले चेक गर्दाखेरि आज चाहिँ टेक्निकल प्रब्लम देखायो ठिक छ अब यसलाई भोलि कन्टिन्यू गर्नु पर्ला अरु केही छ तिमीहरूको मान्छेहरू सट्टै घट्दै गएको छ हैन मैले त अहिले भटाभट हटाइदिइरहेको छु मान्छे यो जो छन् नि उहरूलाई चाहिँ इन्टरटेन नगर्ने यो रमाइलो गर्ने ठाउँ हैन नि त यो त राम्रो कुराहरू सिक्ने ठाउँ हो कसैको केही भन्नु छ भने भन है यहाँनिर हात उठाइरहेको रहेछ धेरैले You have any query, guys? If you have any queries, please come on. कोही छ? संगीता को मिसिङ छ तिम्रो साथीहरु यहाँ यसो हेर्दाखेरि रेगुलर आमा? सुशान्त कहाँ छ? यो प्रतिमा लामा भन्ने त कति बजे उठ्छेछ है केटी? बिहान उठेर टाइममा क्लासमा आउन सक्दैनस्? प्रतिमा छैन अब यहाँ उ गरी अनि कहाँ हिँडी? गोल्बी पनि ढिला आइरहेछ छैन? तेरो आमालाई पख्न।
सर बत्ती गएको थियो सर।
ए बत्ती गएको थियो। संगीता केही छ भन्नु भन त?
सर हिजो त्यो एउटा नोटिस आएको थियो नि त्यो पीएससी बाट लोकसेवा कमिसनबाट। हेलो अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ के हामीहरुको पीसीआर टेस्ट गरेर मात्र गर्ने भनेको थियो। यदि त्यसमा पोजिटिभ आयो भने चाहिँ उनीहरुलाई नमिल्ने हो सर?
लिन्न नानी। त्यो चाहिँ तिमीहरुको पछि छाउनीमा अहिले हुन्न, त्यो चाहिँ सहसचिव उपसचिवहरुको हो तिम्रो हैन। आर्मीको मेजर सोसर, पुलिसको डीएसपी सोसरको जागिर हो त्यो उपसचिव भनेको उताको हैन।
हजुर।
तिमीहरु भनेको थर्ड क्लास अफिसर हो, तिनीहरु चाहिँ फर्स्ट क्लास अफिसर हो।
हजुर।
ठुलो हो, मेजर भन्दा पनि लेफ्टिनेन्ट कर्नेल सोसर हो है।
हजुर। ए हैन मलाई डाउट लागिरहेको थियो कि
तिमीहरुको त डिटेल मेडिकल यसपालि अब जति पनि हुन्छ तिनीहरुको उही एचआईभी एड्स टेस्ट हुन्छ नि अहिले तिमीहरुको हैन। हेपाटाइटिस भए जस्तै गरेर कोरोना टेस्ट हुनै पर्छ।
अनि सर त्यो त
अब बढाउँछ होला।
अहिले छ भने अहिले छैन भने पछि हुन पनि त सक्ने हो नि त, यो त भाइरस हो नि त अब।
हैन पछिको त माने राख्दैन, अहिलेकोलाई चाहिँ हेर्छ।
ए अहिले तिनीहरुको अब इन्टरभ्यु लिने भनेको हो, अस्ति भएको थिएन रे त्यही भएर हो।
तिनीहरुको अब फाइनल मेडिकल चाहिँ कोरोना टेस्ट सहितको क्लियर सर्टिफिकेट आउनु पर्यो।
हजुर। ए मलाई डाउट
मैले क्लियर गरे नानी।
थ्यांक यू सर। हजुर।
अरु कोही छ?
हजुर सर।
यो रेडमी वाला कुन हात उठाइराछस् नि, के हो? ओप्पो F9 विश्वासको ठाउँमा अहिले को आछ? नयाँ विश्वास आयो कि क्या हो?
हैन सर म यो
हो र भने विश्व कुँवर कि विश्वास कुँवर थियो, हरायो त मान्छे।
सर उ चाहिँ हराएछ।
अघि हुनुहुन्थ्यो
सर। अनि 31 गतेदेखि एक्जाम त्यो लकडाउन खुलेपछि हुन्छ हाम्रो एक्जाम?
अब एक्जाम लकडाउन खुलेको हैन 2 हप्तादेखि 3 हप्ता भित्रमा एक्जाम गर्छ। अब हैन डिस्टेन्सिङ सोशल डिस्टेन्सिङ राखेर गर्छ। अब लकडाउन कहिले खुल्छ भन्ने यहाँनिर अन्यल छ कि
सर 31 मा खुल्छ लकडाउन।
31 मा खुल्ने सम्भावना त छ। अहिले सबैले विरोध गर्न लाग्छन् हैन।
त्यही त सर।
हेरौँ, आशा गरौँ सक्दो छिटो खुलोस्। अब यो त लाइफस्टाइल बनाउनु पर्छ कोरोनालाई। कोरोनासँग डराउनु हुन्न हैन। अहिलेको यो 3 महिनामा सबैभन्दा धेरै मर्ने भनेको क्यान्सरबाट मर्या रहेछ 11 लाख। कोरोनाबाट 3,53,000 अराउन्ड 3.5 लाख हो। एचआईभी एड्सबाट 2 लाख प्लस छ हैन। यस्तै गरी एक्सिडेन्टल केसहरु अरु थुप्रो छ। कोरोना
सर अनि सुसाइड पनि सबभन्दा बढी भएको रहेछ है अहिले।
के रे नानु?
सुसाइड केसहरु नि
अहिले नेपालमै अराउन्ड 700 अराउन्ड त सुसाइडल केस छ। कोरोनाबाट 8 जना मर्यो, सुसाइडल केसबाट धेरै छ है।
हजुर।
यस्तो छ। यो टाइमिङको एकदमै हेलचेक्राइ गरे के बच्चाहरुले। त्यो समीम भन्ने भाइ कहाँ गयो? तिमीले यसो याद गरेछौ संगीता, तिमी केबाट चलाइरहेछौ, वाइफाईबाट कि डाटाबाट? केबाट चलाछौ संगीताले?
म वाइफाई।
ए तिम्रो क्लास भाइस क्याप्टेन थियो नि, कहाँ गयो त्यो? हरायो।
अघि थियो।
रेगुलारिटी नै भएन के मान्छेहरूको, अप्स एन्ड डाउन भयो। अब ठिकै छ, हेरौँ मान्छेहरू। म अब कट अफमा जाँदैछु है। यो कोर क्लासहरू फेसबुक लाइभ हुन्न। फेसबुक लाइभ भनेको यस्तै मोटिभेसन क्लासहरू बाहेक अरू हुन्न। म हेरेको छु नि सर, म त फेसबुक लाइभ हेरेको छु नि सर क्लास भन्छ। क्लासमा आज जस्तो हुन्छ, तिमीहरूले के फिल गरेछ यो भर्चुअल क्लासको? जस्तो युट्युबबाट खोजेर हेर्नु र यो भर्चुअल क्लासमा तिमीहरूले क्लास अटेन्ड गरेर हेर्नुमा के फरक देखिरहेछ?
सर यसमा क्वेसन सोध्न पाइन्छ सर, आफूलाई डाउट क्लियर गर्न पाइन्छ, त्यसमा पाइदैन।
समर अरु यसमा चाहिँ आफै क्लासमै बसेको छु जस्तो, अलिकति हैन टचमा बसे जस्तो, ब्लेसिङ जस्तो, फेस टु फेस छुट्टै किसिमको इनर्जी हुन्छ।
एकदम सर सही।
हेर्दाखेरि त्यस्तो हुन्न हैन?
हेर्दा हेर्दै अल्छिदा सुतिन्छ भन्थ्यो सर।